Stop. Don't touch that face. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Don't touch that face. I know that pimples is calling your name. Press me. Press me. But wait. Be calming down first. Hold on. I know you are tired. I know you've used all the products. Is it the expensive cream? Is it the miracle face wash? Is it the skincare videos you have watched? But that acne is still there. Like you're saying, I'm not going anywhere. At this point, it has a tenancy agreement on your face. And the worst part is, you are the landlord. Yes, you are the landlord. But let me tell you this. You are doing things every single day that is making that one tiny pimple into a full-blown national problem. And nobody is telling you the truth. But today, I will. I'll be exposing all the mistakes that are secretly keeping that acne alive and how to fix it. So after this video, you either fix it or you feel personally attacked. Yes, you feel personally attacked. So please watch till the end so that you can know the mistake you are doing, so that you can stop it and fix it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pristel, and if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. You are highly welcome. Please don't just watch and go. Help us to click on that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss an amazing video like this. And also to my old subscribers, thank you so much for always returning back. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Mistake number 1. Picking or popping your pimples. You see this one? Everybody does it. Even if it's not everybody, almost everybody does it. When you see a pimple like this, your hand will be shaking. You want to be pressing it as if you are pressing Gary. If you do this, you are spreading bacteria deeper into your skin, which can cause dark spots, and it can lead to scars that will last you for years. So how to fix it? Leave it alone. Yes, I said it. Leave it alone. Use spot treatment like benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid. Then you can use pimple patches overnight. Mistake number 2. Over cleansing or not washing your face properly. Over cleansing or not washing your face properly. Some of us are washing our face as if we are scrubbing burnt spots. While others, them and cleanser, they are not friends. They are not friends at all. See, if you overwash your face, your skin will be dry. You will have more oil and you will have more acne. And if you don't wash your face will be dirty. Oil will build up and you have clogged pores. So how to fix it? Wash your face twice daily and use a gentle cleanser. Don't use a harsh soap. Your face is not a dirty place, so relax. Okay? Mistake number 3. Not cleaning the things that touches your face. For example, your phone, your glasses, the under parts and the upper parts, your makeup brushes, your pillowcase. Yes, if you don't clean all these things, you are transferring bacteria into your skin, which will cause breakouts. So how to fix it? Clean your phone and your glasses daily. Wash your pillowcase 2 to 3 times weekly, and wash your makeup brushes weekly. Mistake number 4. Using toothpaste and lemon on your pimple. Who started this lie? I beg. Toothpaste and lemon on your pimple. Toothpaste is for your teeth, not your face. And lemon, it will burn your skin and it will cause dark spots. So please avoid them. How to fix it? Use acne treatment like adapalene or benzoyl peroxide. I beg. Avoid lemon or toothpaste. Okay? Mistake number 5. Not moisturizing. Yes, some of us think that, my face is oily, I don't need cream. I don't need to moisturize. My dear, that is exactly why your skin is suffering. Your skin becomes dehydrated and it produces more oil, which produces more acne. So how to fix it? Use lightweight oil-free moisturizer. Yes. And look for non-comedogenic cream. Dry skin is not the goal, glass skin is. Okay? Mistake number 6. Using ash scrub. Some of us are scrubbing our faces as if we are scrubbing bathroom tiles. Eh? Fine boy, fine girl. It's not supposed to be like that though. It will cause micro tear, which will increase irritation and inflammation. So how to fix it? Stop using harsh scrub. Use gentle chemical exploration like glycolic acid or salicylic acid. Use those ones. Abeg, you hear? Okay. Mistake number 7. Using the same ingredients, using the same active. You bought 5 products and all of them contains the same ingredients. That means you are over explorating. That means there will be skin barrier damage and breakouts. So how to fix them? Keep your routine simple. From cleanser to treatment to moisturizer to sunscreen. Don't stack too many active. Yes, don't stack too many active. So moving on to the mistake number 8, which is the last point. Doing skincare right before sleeping. Some of us will finish applying skincare and jump on our bed and say good night, good night. All what we applied has been transferred to your pillow. Yes, and it will be less effective. So how to fix it? Do your skincare 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Allow it to dry properly. Let your skincare enter your skin, not your pillow. Okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening. And if you have done 1 or 2 mistakes, please leave a comment. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.